starting with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Respectable principal, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on 9th November, Iqbal Day. ना तू ज़मीं के लिए है ना आसमां के लिए, ना तू ज़मीं के लिए है ना आसमां के लिए, जहाँ है तेरे लिए तू ना जहाँ के लिए. 9th November of every year reminds us a significant day and date when a child took birth in Sialkot, who changed not only the government setup in subcontinent but infused new spirit among the Muslims of subcontinent. He was Dr. Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal appeared on the scene of this world with such a sensitive soul, keeping the ability to probe deeper and deeper into the real nature of the changing world, and with the eyes for reaching beyond the blue skies and searching the secrets of eternity. He was born in Sialkot on November 9, 1877. Here he got his earlier education. Then he went to Lahore and did his MA from Government College, Lahore. Then he went to abroad and did PhD from Germany and Bar at Law from London. And on his return, he started practice in London. He spent most of his time in poetry. His poetry carried the message of Islam. He was who gave the idea of Pakistan. He awakened the feelings of Muslim of the continent. His thinking and poetry reflect the two-nation theory, and his poetry awakened the feelings of Islamic nationality among the Muslims of India. The scene of unity was a major factor in the creation of Pakistan. Iqbal has unique, graceful, and matchless style of himself and his positive capabilities. Khudi, the realization of oneness, is his main symbol, which he has used throughout his poetry. In his poetry, he emphasized the human values like fear, hope, gloom, joy, modesty, self-respect, continued struggle, faith, love, compassion, and mercy. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. One of his notable methods for youngsters, he encouraged them to aim high, the best in life. He urged the youth to aspire for bigger and unseen possibilities. उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, और जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. Iqbal wanted to direct the youth towards good, towards Islam, towards destiny, and eventually towards excellence. He was a strong believer in one Allah. He was of the opinion that strong faith leads to develop a strong character. कौम मजहब से मजहब जो नहीं तुम भी नहीं, कौम मजहब से मजहब जो नहीं तुम भी नहीं, जज़ब बाहम जो नहीं महफिल अंजुम भी नहीं. He wrote many precious books which are our assets, including Bange Dara, Javed Nama, Istare Khudi, and many more. He couldn't live long to see Pakistan and died in 1938. He was buried in Lahore near Badshahi Mosque. May his soul rest in peace. Ameen.